If I told you that you can create cinematic, film-like videos with full control over motion, audio, and camera without touching After Effects or Premiere, you might think it's too good to be true. But this was made entirely with AI. Today, I'm testing one of the fastest-growing AI video platforms right now, Higgsfield, and I'll show you exactly how creators are turning simple ideas into finished cinematic videos. Higgsfield is a Gen AI platform built with one clear goal: to make AI video creation genuinely creator-friendly. Inside one platform, you get access to multiple powerful video and image models, including Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 audio, WAN 2.5, and their newest product, Cinema Studio. If you can describe a scene, you can make a film-like shot. Most AI video tools give you randomness. Higgsfield gives you control over motion, control over audio, control over consistency. This is where creators come to generate cinematic shots that actually feel intentional. Let me stop talking and show you exactly how this works. First, let's start with Nano Banana Pro. This is their next generation image engine. What makes this model special is the quality. You can generate in 1K, 2K, or full 4K, and even upscale to crisp 4K. Text actually reads correctly. Faces stay consistent. Even things like numbers, diagrams, and UI elements make logical sense. This is perfect for thumbnails, storyboards, posters, or your first cinematic frame. Next is Kling 2.6 audio, and this one is a game changer. This model generates visuals, voice, and ambience in one pass. No extra voiceovers, no plugins. You get a complete scene, motion, camera, and sound instantly. The camera movement is stable, the audio matches the scene, and everything feels cohesive. This is full 1080p quality, perfect for storytelling, ads, or short cinematic scenes. Now, if you want fewer restrictions, WAN 2.5 is where things get interesting. This model supports bold prompts, pop culture references, and internet-native language. You also get audio and motion in one pass, plus support for multiple formats, perfect for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This is the model creators use when they want speed and creative freedom. Now let's talk about the most powerful part of Higgsfield, Cinema Studio. This is the first end-to-end AI filmmaking pipeline. You go from text to image to video, all in one unified workflow. You're not just generating clips, you're designing shots. Real cinema cameras, real lens profiles, framing, lighting, and cinematic grammar are baked in. This is built for filmmakers, not just AI hobbyists. Higgsfield is perfect for YouTubers, filmmakers, content creators, brands and agencies, or anyone who wants cinematic visuals without massive budgets. If you can imagine the scene, Higgsfield helps you execute it. AI video generation is moving fast, but tools like Higgsfield are setting the standard. This isn't just about automation, it's about creative control. If you want to start creating film-like AI videos today, check out the links below. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment what kind of AI videos you want to see next. I'll see you in the next one. Now, let's dive a little deeper into how Higgsfield can change the way you approach storytelling. One of the most exciting things about AI video creation is that it removes so many of the traditional limitations. You're no longer constrained by location, actors, or equipment. Want to create a cinematic scene on top of Mount Kilimanjaro, in a bustling Tokyo street, or inside a futuristic spaceship? With Higgsfield, you can make it happen in minutes. And it's not just about visuals. The way Higgsfield handles sound is incredible. Think about the last time you tried syncing voiceovers, background music, and sound effects manually. Hours, maybe even days spent just trying to get everything aligned. With models like Kling 2.6 audio, the ambiance, the voice, and even environmental sounds are generated together in a single pass. That means the sound design matches the visuals perfectly. It's cohesive, immersive, and professional. For creators who are building their personal brands or social media channels, this is a game changer. You can experiment with different visual styles, tones, and storytelling techniques and instantly see what resonates with your audience. Imagine testing 3 different versions of a product promo or an educational clip, all within an hour, and picking the one that performs best. That kind of speed and flexibility is unheard of in traditional video production. Another exciting aspect is collaboration. Because your outputs are digital from the start, you can easily share them with team members, editors, or clients. They can give feedback directly on the generated clip, and you can make adjustments instantly. No need to reshoot scenes or worry about scheduling conflicts. Everything is iterative, fast, and collaborative, just like working in a real studio, but far more accessible. Now, let's talk about creativity. AI like Higgsfield doesn't replace your ideas, it amplifies them. You still need a strong concept, a clear story, and a vision. What it does is allow you to explore more options, more scenarios, and more artistic choices than you ever could on your own. Want to try a hyper-realistic cyberpunk cityscape for a music video? Done! Want to create an epic slow-motion shot of a sports scene with perfect lighting and motion blur? Done! The tool doesn't get in the way, it enhances your creative freedom. Higgsfield is also evolving rapidly. New updates, new models, and new workflows are being added all the time. That means as a creator, you're not just using a tool, you're becoming part of a growing ecosystem of innovation. The AI learns from better datasets, improves motion fidelity, and even starts understanding cultural nuances. This is particularly powerful if you're making content for diverse audiences, where small details can make a huge difference in authenticity and engagement. Another point worth highlighting is the learning curve. Some people assume AI tools are complicated or require technical expertise. Higgsfield is the opposite. Its interface is intuitive, the workflows are clear, and the Media Kit provides pre-made templates to get you started instantly. You don't need to be a programmer or a visual effects expert. You just need creativity and curiosity. And here's the kicker: cost. Professional filmmaking traditionally involves huge budgets, cameras, actors, locations, and post-production. With Higgsfield, the barrier to entry is drastically reduced. You can create content that looks like it came out of a professional studio with minimal investment, sometimes just the cost of a subscription. For indie creators, startups, or anyone trying to get noticed online, that's revolutionary. Finally, let's think about the future. AI video is still in its early stages, but the possibilities are staggering. Within a few years, tools like Higgsfield could become the default for content creation across YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and beyond. By learning how to harness these platforms now, you're positioning yourself ahead of the curve. You're not just creating videos, you're shaping the future of digital storytelling. So whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a content creator, a brand, or just someone who loves experimenting with new tech, Higgsfield gives you the tools to turn imagination into reality. You can test ideas faster, iterate smarter, and produce visuals that were previously only possible with a full studio team. If you take one thing from this, it's this: AI video tools like Higgsfield aren't a replacement for creativity, they're a supercharger for it. The more you explore, experiment, and push the boundaries, the more you'll discover new possibilities for your content.